Let's talk about accessibility in programming languages. Hello everyone, I'm Ali Reza. Welcome to the Mentor Code Lab. Today we are talking about accessibility. If you recall, in previous video we talked about classes. Now, sometimes in your programming you are defining a class, and inside this class you will have a value that you want to be related to this class alone. You want to close the door toward this value inside your class. So no one outside of this class should not get access to this value. Sometimes you want a value that is completely open to the outside world, okay? So everyone outside can have access to this value and can tweak it, can read it, etc. Sometimes you want a value that is accessible only to this class and the children that are inheriting from it. So it is accessible to itself and any class that is inheriting from this one. And this is what is the concept of accessibility. Now, accessibility is a concept that is achievable only on the base of object-oriented programming. If your language is not supporting object-oriented programming, then forget about it. At least the protected will lose its meaning. Private and public maybe be existing in your programming language, but protected, or the number 3 here, is always achievable only by object-oriented programming, because if we can't inherit something, then we can't make a variable that is only achievable to the children. There is no children there. Okay, let's put numbers here. The first scenario is number 1. The second scenario is number 2. So in the second scenario, this guy has access outside. Private is the number 1. So a private object inside your class is dedicated to your class. No one outside of your class, even the children, will not have access to this private object. Public is number 2. So when you define something as public, it means that, hey, everyone outside there can see me, can read me, can write the values on me, and I'm open for everyone to be used. Protected is number 3. So if you define something as protected, only you and your children that are inheriting from you can have access and manipulate it. And as I said, this is all about accessibility. As you see, accessibility is not a complex concept. However, when you start writing your own programs and learn how to use it, it's a very, very powerful tool to be used, especially when you want to write your own API and you want other people to use that API. Accessibility is really important there. If you like these videos, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on that bell so that when I publish a new video, you will get informed. Have fun, everyone. Bye.